The centre is all set to bring a bill in the parliament tomorrow to regulate the powers of Waqf board. Government sources have told NDTV that the bill will be brought in to ensure better identification and verification of the Waqf land, as after defence and railways, Waqf has the largest land bank in the country. The centre is all set to make amendments to the Waqf Act, thereby restricting the powers of the Waqf board. The cabinet, it is learned, has approved a total of 40 amendments to the act. Government sources have also told NDTV that the Waqf boards all over the country have been facing multiple litigations and cases have to be disposed of in a time-bound manner. That is the reason that the bill is being brought in. However, on the other hand, Muslim bodies have objected to the centre's plan to bring this bill in the parliament. They've said that it is an attempt at diluting the powers of the Waqf board to make it like any other trust or endowment. Listen in.
ये जो प्रपोज अमेंडमेंट से जो मीडिया में जो लिखा गया है वो इस बात को बताता है कि मोदी हुकूमत वक्फ बोर्ड की ऑटोनॉमी को छीनना चाहती है और वो इंटरफेयर करना चाहती है वाकिफ के मंशे के खिलाफ कि किस तरह से उस वक्फ की प्रॉपर्टी को चलाया जाए। तो बेसिकली ऑल इन ऑल ये जो है ये पूरे इस तरह का अगर ये मीडिया रिपोर्ट सही है तो मोदी सरकार ये चाह रही है कि पूरे वक्फ बोर्ड की प्रॉपर्टीज को छीन लिया जाए।
All right, my colleague Aishwarya is also now joining us on the broadcast here. That was Asaduddin Owaisi objecting to the centre's plan to bring this bill, saying that it's something that the central government has been planning to do since some time now, and they want to snatch the property of the Waqf board. Aishwarya, that is the latest coming in. This is big news that we are tracking at the moment. We are learning as per sources that the centre is planning to bring this bill in the parliament tomorrow. However, the Muslim bodies, along with the political party leaders, have now started to object to this.
Well, certainly, we have been told that the bill will be brought by the government in the upcoming week, and it was this Friday where the cabinet had approved a total of 40 amendments to the act, and it will be the NDA government who is all set to make amendments to the Waqf Act, thereby restricting the powers of Waqf board as well. We've been told that the proposed changes also include the women representations on the board, and also the sources indicated that the proposed amendments will claim, and the claim made by the Waqf board on properties will undergo now into mandatory verifications as well. The mandatory verifications process proposed for properties claimed by the Waqf board. Remember, there had been several properties which were in contention across the country because of the earlier, proposed rules, and therefore the reason perhaps these amendments will take place. We've been told by our sources that Waqf board oversee approximately 8,70,000 of properties spanning around 9,40,000 acres. And in 2013, it was the UPA government who bolstered the entire authority of these boards. Now, if these changes will be happening and if the bill will come, then there will be an overall change in the Waqf board activities. It is certainly, leaders like Asaduddin Owaisi and several leaders of the Samajwadi Party who had opposed this bill. Now, what will happen in the parliament is something that remains to be seen.
Right, absolutely. Thank you so much, Aishwarya, for getting us all those details there. All eyes will be on the proceedings of the parliament tomorrow, when this bill is expected to be brought in by the government. We are learning that the cabinet has already approved amendments related to the bill and is all set to bring this bill in the Sansad tomorrow.